Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing animated of an opening slide or intro in PowerPoint using a video, an image, and a text box in just a few minutes. You can buy this template from the link in the description below from my Patreon for only $3, and you can support me by you can just give you can contribute to my Patreon through support programs. So let's start. The first thing you're gonna do is open up a blank slide and go to pictures. From here, you're gonna insert an image either from PowerPoint or from your own device. Give it an aspect ratio of 16:9, and then we're gonna cover the entire slide with it. Next, we're gonna select it, go to picture format, click on color, and we're gonna give this first dark black and white color to the image. Next, we're gonna insert a text box which holds our main alphabet or word that we're gonna use for this entire picture. Next, we're gonna change this font. So the font I'm gonna use is Noir. Let me just search for it. I just downloaded it, but it's just not opening up. So let me just check a few more times, and here you go. Now I'm gonna search for the same font, and right here you can see it's called medium. We're gonna just increase the size, bold it, and then we're gonna put it onto our slide and in the middle and the center of our slide. Select the picture and then the text box and combine them from the merge options. Next, we're gonna go to add insert tab, and then we're gonna insert a video and send it to the back of our entire stuff. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. When you play the video, you can see this nice effect in the background, and this video just looks too nice. So you can get this video from the background from Pixabay or from iStock, and it is free to use as well. You can buy this template for only $3 from the link in the description below from my Patreon. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.